In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a wedding invitation with wax seal in Canva. Whether you're planning your own wedding, helping a friend, or just exploring your creative side, this tutorial will guide you step by step through the process of designing a beautiful, professional-looking wedding invitation in Canva. Canva is a fantastic tool for this because it offers an easy-to-use platform with plenty of pre-designed templates to get you started, even if you're not a design expert. If you don't already have a Canva account, you can use the link in the description to sign up. Let's dive in. First, head over to Canva's official website and either log into your existing account or sign up for a free one if you're new to the platform. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click the Create a Design button. This will open up a search bar where you can type wedding invitation. By searching this way, Canva will automatically suggest pre-sized and pre-designed templates, making it much easier to get started. Now, take a moment to browse through the available wedding invitation templates. You'll see a variety of designs, some formal, some playful, and everything in between. Choose one that matches the theme or mood of your wedding. Don't worry too much about the details just yet. You can customize every aspect of the template later. Once you've found a design you like, click on it to open up the editing workspace. Once you're in the workspace, you'll notice text boxes on the template that you can edit. Simply double-click on any text box to start modifying the details. Update the names of the couple, the date and time of the event, the venue address, RSVP information, and anything else that needs to be included. As you work, think about the tone you want to set, formal, casual, whimsical, and adjust the wording and font styles to reflect that. Now here's an important tip. Double-check for typos and errors before moving on to the next step. It's always easier to catch mistakes early in the process. Next, let's add a decorative touch to your design. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a menu. Click on the Elements tab, and in the search bar at the top, type Wax Seal. Canva will display a range of wax seal graphics for you to choose from. When picking one, consider how well it complements the overall style of your invitation. Once you've selected a wax seal graphic you like, drag it onto your design. You can resize and reposition it however you like. Try placing it near the bottom of the invitation, along the borders, or wherever you think it adds the perfect finishing touch. Feel free to experiment until it looks just right. Now that your design is coming together, it's time to review your work. Click the Preview button to see how your invitation will look when it's completed. Take your time to check each detail, making sure everything is aligned, legible, and visually balanced. Once you're happy with the design, it's time to save your work. Click the Share button in the top right corner of the screen, and from the drop-down menu, select Download. When the download options appear, choose PDF as the format. This will ensure your invitation is saved in high resolution, making it perfect for printing or sharing digitally. And there you have it. You've just designed a stunning wedding invitation with a wax seal in Canva. Now you know exactly how to create a personalized and professional-looking invitation that's sure to impress your guests. If you have any questions or need help with another Canva project, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.